Well, let me get one thing out of the way. Looks do not matter, but your personality does. So how you dress up, how you show up, how you groom yourself is all a part of your personality, which means it decides how attractive or unattractive you might look to someone. Hi guys, I'm Ishita Khanna and I make videos about grooming, fashion and lifestyle. Now I'm guessing if you've clicked on this video, you want to feel more confident, or there might be a few insecurities that you want to overcome, or you might think that there is something that makes you unattractive. Now, I'll be honest, I have been all these three things, which is why I want to share 8 hacks backed by science that will help you feel more attractive. First up, you can actually smile your way into looking attractive. Hear me out. Now, there's a study published in this journal called Neuropsychology, which states that a smiling face activates the brain's reward system, which makes you look more welcoming and approachable. In fact, when you walk into a public space, imagine you see someone who has their resting bitch face on, or they look very serious, you will instantly think that they are unapproachable, or you might think they're even snobbish. But on the other hand, if you see someone who's smiling, has a more open body language, you will feel more attracted to that person, or at least you will feel like they're more approachable, right? But here's the cool thing. This also works on yourself. So if you look at yourself in the mirror with a smiling face, it will send the same signals to your brain as it would if a familiar face or a stranger was smiling at you, making you feel more confident. And when you start doing that more often and when you step out, you will feel way more attractive yourself. Number 2, the power of scent. Now, there's actually a research published in the journal called PLOS ONE, which states that certain pleasant fragrances can actually impact how someone perceives you. It's been proven that certain scents can actually trigger feelings of attraction. So automatically, when you wear a perfume, you will end up seeming more attractive to people around you. I would suggest experimenting with different fragrances that go really well with your natural body odor. Try using light floral fragrances. My current favorites are the Lancôme La Vie Belle and Idole. I love them both equally. And if you ever wear a perfume, you step out and someone compliments you or asks you where you got that perfume from or what are you wearing, just know that it suits you really well and it should become your go-to perfume. Number 3, embracing your passion. There is nothing more attractive than someone who's passionate about something they do. It could be your hobby, it could be dancing, music, playing an instrument, or just painting. What I mean is that pursuing your passion makes your personality instantly more captivating. In fact, according to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, it was proven that someone who follows their passion or someone who's passionate about what they're doing is perceived as more charismatic and charming. And even from personal experience, when I've met someone who talks about how bored they are with their lives and their 9-to-5 jobs versus when I meet someone who might be doing a 9-to-5 job but is also pursuing their hobbies on the side and is passionate about it, it instantly captivates me, and it is definitely a personality that is more attractive to talk to. And before I move on to my next point, if you've liked this video so far, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification icon. Number 4 is wearing red. Yes, this color is not meant just for Valentine's Day. So if you don't already have this pop of color in your wardrobe, now would be a good time to add it, because studies conducted by the University of Rochester found that wearing red or adding red to a part of your outfit significantly increased your attractiveness to others. So whether it's a red dress, red lipstick, a red bag, or a pair of heels as a part of your outfit, it is bound to make a statement. Number 5 is hang out in a group. Now, I know this is an odd one, but a study conducted by University of California at San Diego asked participants to rate men and women on their attractiveness in solo pictures versus the same people in a group. Now, the participants gave higher ratings to both men and women when they were in a group photo versus when they were in a solo one, which basically came to the conclusion that if you are surrounded by attractive people, you will feel more attractive. And this is called a cheerleader effect. In fact, even personally, I feel like when I'm hanging out with people who feel more confident in their own skin and, own who they are, I myself start feeling a little more confident. I guess it's just that the company has an effect on you. So I would recommend hanging out with people who are confident, who influence you in the right ways. The next one is using an open body language. Now, most of us tend to have a closed body language without even realizing it. Even I don't, especially when I'm in a social gathering or at a party and I don't know a lot of people. I'm a little shy and anxious of just being surrounded by people I don't know. I tend to have a closed body language. For example, I might have folded arms. I might have the glass that I'm holding very close to my chest, or my phone very close to me, or my purse hugging to my body, because I feel comfortable that way. But this is a closed body language and will make you look unattractive. So if you want to look more attractive, you don't need to change your looks. You simply need to change your body language. In fact, open body language is way more attractive than having a good looking outfit, a fancy hairstyle, or the best dance move on the floor. The seventh hack is to get enough sleep. Even from my personal experience, when I oversleep or undersleep, I feel really annoyed and cranky, and I'm bound to make the people around me feel the same way. So getting the right amount of sleep, which is about 7 to 8 hours, should do the job. This will make you feel not just refreshed and a happier person, but it also makes your skin better, your dark circles less, and you are just a better person in general. And who doesn't find that attractive, right? Last but certainly not the least, be kind to yourself. Practicing self-compassion will make you feel confident not just in your own skin, but also make you attractive to others. Research published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that those who are compassionate towards themselves, they embrace their imperfections, are instantly more desirable and attractive to others. So remember to treat yourself with love and kindness, the same you would extend to a friend. I do want to talk about my insecurity here. Now, my front tooth is slightly crooked, and I think you probably wouldn't have even noticed it had I not mentioned it, right? Similarly, no one notices your insecurities but you. So try and embrace your imperfections, try and embrace things that make you you and make you unique, and honestly, you will instantly feel more confident and attract yourself to the right people. This was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and will take away something from this. I will link down all my sources for these studies in the description box in case you want to read more about it. I do want to ask each one of you to tell me in the comments down below any one insecurity that you think you might have, because I want everyone watching this video to tell you that you are beautiful and you've got to love yourself. I want to build a community where we support each other, where we encourage each other to be confident and love ourselves. So this was it for today's video. As usual, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It will help me grow and make my content reach more people. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.